Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the instrument cluster on a Jaguar X-TYPE. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for one new video every day. Okay, now you need to first unhook the battery. Okay, both cables, positive and negative, and make sure that you do that before you start the repair. So we need to do the negative as well, both of them. Okay, just like that. And if you want to make sure that you don't have any electricity in the computers, you can just touch both of them, and that way it will discharge the computers. Alright, next, in order to remove the instrument cluster, you need to get the steering wheel in down position all the way, and you can pull it towards you if you need to as well. You can pull it all the way so it's not in the way. And now with a prying tool or a screwdriver, you need to pry the trim right here. Okay, just like that. As you can see, there is a few clips here and there, just careful not to break them. Okay. You can hear them coming out, and now it comes out in a certain angle, and that's what the trim looks like. We're pretty much done there. Pretty simple. And now we have 4 screws that we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver, as you can see, in each corner there. And that way we'll remove the plastic and we'll be able to get to the instrument cluster itself. So it's not a complicated deal, and you don't need any special tools for that repair as well. Okay, and this is the last one. Now we removed all 4 of them. Now you can go ahead and pull the plastic trim out. Okay, that's what it looks like. And now there is 4 more that we will need to remove in each corner again of the instrument cluster. Okay, as you can see, we just showed you where they are. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws. Okay, this is the last screw now. So nothing is holding the instrument cluster. Now you can go ahead and remove it. Okay, you just pull it out. Now we have the wiring still on the back right here, so there is one little notch that we will need to press down. Okay, we need to get the cable out of the groove first, and now you need to press down right here and pull the black piece out and all the way out, and it will come out the wiring. And there is one more, it's black on the left side as well. You need to go ahead and remove it. It's the same way, the same design. You just need to press the little notch on the top and push. Okay, and that's the instrument cluster, guys. That's how you remove it and put it back together, just the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.